Hey everybody, Mike with the 1974 GMC. You can see it's jacked up in the front. Looks like it's going up a steep incline. Today's a nice rainy day here in northern Michigan. So for now, I'm going to work on the motorhome. And what I have to do is, because I should have done a lot more reading and looking at what the Hive has done in the past, but basically, there's brand new exhaust manifold gaskets, brand new exhaust donuts on this, but I'm pretty sure the exhaust manifold gaskets are leaking. So that may have been part of the problem I had with these wires that were down here melting. Is I stick my hand in here if I fire it up, and I can feel some air blowing out there. So, and I'm really worried about that because that affects my oxygen sensor. I need to get all of the products of combustion to go by that, so that it can do its job. So I want to, I'm gonna change these gaskets, and I have now read a bunch of things and understand that this bolt up here, which is perfectly logical, tips the thing and causes the gasket to blow out on the bottom. So I'm not sure if I'm even gonna put this bolt in this time, but just torque along the center line of the ports and see how that goes. So when I pull this manifold off, I am going to check it for flatness. I don't know that I did that before. I thought it was a pretty good fit with the head, but I will do that, and I'll probably still use some copper gasket material on there. So one of the things I did want to talk about was my wheelhouses. So my wheelhouses go in and out very quickly. Probably I can have them both out in probably less than 10 minutes. And I'm assuming that's the way everybody else is, but a lot of the stuff I read, people kind of seem to make it seem like it's a big deal to take them in and out. And so they come in and out very quickly, and gives you great access to the spark plugs, to the manifolds, to other things like that. So I take them in and out all the time. I don't know if in my last video, if anybody remembers, but I took it on a trip, and I do have a little bit of a miss at idle, and I'm thinking it might be due to that the computers being fooled because of the exhaust manifold leak. I did do a compression check, and I have good and equal compression in all the cylinders. The plugs all look good, so they actually all look like EFI plugs, which was nice. So I'm gonna work on that today. I guess I'll probably do this in maybe like 3 videos. I'll do this video, and then I'll take the manifold off and look at it and the straightness and what the gasket looks like, and then the reassembly I did want to show you. So this time I read the information on the GMC websites and looked at some blog stuff, and so I have copper gaskets, SCE copper gaskets. Anybody wants the part number, there it is. And then I have 2 new exhaust gas donuts. So they're Fel-Pro, there's the part number of those. So that's what we're going to be using today. And then I have to get it out, but it's a copper, Permatex copper for exhaust. I'll probably just put that on to seal any imperfections. And then if the manifold is not flat, then I'll see if I can jig it up on the mill and flatten it out. So if you guys haven't seen Iris in a while, there she is, the faithful barn companion. So everybody have a great day.